rolling with Stella, the DIY Diva. Krafty Luxe designs.
Girl, did you make that? I sure did. I'm gonna show you how you can make it too.
Hi, this is Stella, and I'm back to show you the results of the resin installation on my pea pebble gravel patio. As you know, yesterday I went through the steps on what it is that you need to do to apply the resin to your gravel, and it's been over 24 hours, so now I would like to show you the results. As you can see, I'm able to rub my hand across the gravel and it's not moving. I mean, nothing is moving. This is awesome. So resin lasts for years. You should not have to worry about applying it again. If you do, I'm not sure. It depends on, I guess, how much wear and tear you do to this. But for outside use, the patio, we won't be sitting on this that much, especially here in Texas because it's so hot. But when we do sit out here, it's very comforting to know that we will not be kicking up gravel. You can have the grandbabies over, family, friends, and not have to worry about getting gravel out of your grass or anyone playing in the gravel and throwing it all over the place. So just wanted to show you what it looks like once it's done, and I am very satisfied with the outcome. Now I'm going to do a shot so that you can see exactly how I have everything set up here, and probably get some friends over later and have a little party. Thank you for watching.
We're rolling with Stella, the DIY Diva. Krafty Luxe designs.
Girl, did you make that? I sure did. I'm gonna show you how you can make it too.